Let's meet two gentlemen who are planting something in their garden.
I will grow a fern plant.
I will grow a bamboo plant.
If you notice, the ferns start growing right from the day one and steadily grows over the 5 years. The bamboo plant on the other side showed little growth till the 5th year, but within the next 6 months, it outgrew the fern. Drawing a parallel to investing, the fern plant here represents blue chips and bamboo denotes multi-baggers. While blue chips give you steady growth, multi-baggers provide handsome returns if you have the patience to wait for long term. But don't start investing right away. There is a stark difference between what people think is a multi-bagger and what's real. All stock trading near 52-week lows are not potential multi-baggers because fall in price could be due to many reasons. Investing in any low-price stock is not advisable as penny stocks carry a huge risk. Once you understand the basic fundamentals that affect the stock market, it is not difficult to spot multi-baggers. Do not worry, we will help you understand what factors can lead to creating a multi-bagger. Firstly, it's the demographics. Rise in the young workforce, availability of cheap skilled labor, and large English-speaking population led to the creation of millions of jobs in industries like IT, KPOs, etc. Domestic consumption is also a key factor. Increase in disposable incomes means people's spending power increases, and this is driving the demand in industries like electronics, automobiles, healthcare, etc. The next big factor is development in infrastructure, rapid urbanization. Huge investments planned in infrastructure is creating huge housing demand. Also, industries like solar power, wind power, etc. are poised for huge growth in coming years. The next important factor is interest rates. Low interest rates lead to rise in lending activity which spurs industrial production and consumer spending. This is especially positive for capital-intensive businesses such as manufacturing, infrastructure, etc. Export opportunities also play a key role in creating multi-baggers. Availability of rare natural resources, favorable trade policies, and currency depreciation makes exports more competitive. This is positive for industries like IT, pharma, KPOs, etc. Any of the above factors can directly affect a company and lead the way to become a multi-bagger.
Multi-bagger investments need great amount of patience as there are no instant returns. Don't give in to the temptation of buying penny stocks without proper research. Don't get too bothered with the short-term ups and downs. Rather, check if the underlying structural story is intact. अब investing simple है. View the top performing stocks that would have created wealth for you. Check out our customized model portfolio. View the best in class research ideas.